για αμερικάνικη μπλούζα σήμερα για να είμαστε και στην περίσταση, γιατί είναι το πρώτο βίντεο και στο πρώτο βίντεο θα σας έχω ετοιμάσει ένα επαιτειακό βίντεο αφιέρωμα στον αγαπημένο μπασκετμπολίστα και NBA, τον James Harden, τον γνωστό παίκτη των Houston Rockets, που στις τελευταίες αγωνιστικές τα πάει περίφημα και βοηθάει την ομάδα του όσο περισσότερο μπορεί. Σε αυτό το βίντεο, εκτός από τη μουσική υπόκρουση, έχω και έναν σχολιαστή να κατακρίνει τον James Harden ότι δεν παίζει άμυνα κτλ. Και εγώ το απαντάω με το βίντεο. Απολαύστε το βίντεο, θα τα λέμε συχνά. The Seventh Man.
James Harden is not better than them. Do you know why? Because they play defense. And James Harden does not play defense. I specifically said he doesn't, as in he won't. I mean, I don't know if I've ever seen a guard take off more on defense than I've seen James Harden over the last 2 years.
Shot pocket three. Harden steps back, and James Harden knocks it down. James Harden is an all-star for a reason. Down the floor, down the three. Harden with the hard step. Wow!
His step back J is deadly. He doesn't take plays off defensively, he takes quarters off. In the end, James Harden would easily be top 5. Easily be top 5 if he played defense.
Just totally dominate this game. James Harden, it's the James Harden show. Make that a 22-point first quarter. James Harden is on fire. Look at the handle he's got. Wow. How long is it, James Harden? Wow. 22 first quarter points for James Harden. And we're going to the second quarter. And Harden knocks him down, plus he is fighting.
He will when he decides to. He can.
No, skip.
Yeah.
Here's my point to you. James Harden, so you know. LeBron is better than you. Durant is better than you. Melo is better than you. Derrick Rose, he's better than you. Russell Westbrook is better than James Harden. CP3 is better. Steph Curry is better. His step back J is deadly.
What a pass by Harden.
James Harden does not play defense. He won't. Literally. I'm just talking about doing backdoor. I mean, they backdoor him, they have layups. This dude was on the elbow.
Και ναι, αυτό ήταν το πρώτο μου βίντεο, ελπίζω να σας άρεσε. Αν σας άρεσε αφήστε ένα like, πατήστε ένα subscribe, αλλά το βασικότερο να περνάτε καλά.